What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this crazy shoe review, be sure to check out my Instagram at Chris Catalunya with an underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm and help me get to 25,000 subs before this year is out. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, this video would not be possible without the efforts from Kicking It ATX.
Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, Texas. Whether you're looking for the latest from Nike, Adidas, Saucony, the hundreds, or you just want to talk up your shoe game in the full-service bar lounge in the back, Kicking It has what you need. Check them out at kickingitatx.com.
In my hand, I have an early look of the prototype ones. The box is pretty dope. You have a half and half blue lid going on with the solid orange right here, and then the cutout guides on this portion. The tan tray has orange hits of Nike logo going all the way around on this side, with the sizing label at the front. Flipping the lid, we have the tan paper, which wraps up the prototype ones. The prototype ones. Now this is an interesting shoe. I'm still kind of confused though because Nike Jordan has yet to give us an official release date of the Jordan 1 switches, only giving friends and family pairs to those respective Jordan athletes. I get it. Those are the Jordans if you're not familiar with the zipper that allows you to go from high to low and back to high. Instead, they decided to officially release this prototype 1 model. What am I talking about? For those that aren't familiar with the news, you can take an X-Acto blade to these or scissors and cut along the provided lines to turn this Jordan high into a Jordan low, though it's irreversible. Now these are set to release on a Friday, September 10th, 2021. Most Jordan accounts should be receiving this shoe. That's your sneaker boutiques like Kicking It ATX, your mall retailers, and across the different apps. The standard retail price of $170 is maintained at your tax and VAT based on where you reside. Concerning the resale market, looking at StockX, looking at GOAT, SneakerCon, just before these release, these are hitting anywhere between $220 and $300, all dependent on the size that you're needing, in the event that you don't hit for retail. It's funny because the guys at Kicking It actually asked me to cut these up. So after this review, check out the next video taking on that specific task. Click the link above. First impressions, the multicolor color blocking is interesting. It's definitely not something that I would have ever made. The pairing is just kind of weird to me, but just with the first feels of the shoe and first looks of the shoe, I definitely enjoy the types of materials being employed on the shoe. It feels pretty good. Done in a tan nubuck, you have the mud guard and then the eye stays running up the shoe. It's plush and it gives off different shades in running your fingers across. We have the white smooth leather that is outfitted at the quarter panels on both the lateral and the medial sides of the shoe, and the vamp with the perforated holes. Hints of black form the smooth leather heel and the Nike swoosh that is prominent and in your face. The collar is of a royal blue, the ankle strap is of that aqua color debossed with a black Air Jordan Wings logo. And both blues, they're done in a nubuck material, which also feels great. Taking a closer look at about the height of a normal Jordan low, on this particular shoe, you'll see like the pressed in cutout guides, which guides you to cutting the high into a low. To give more pop to the shoe, there are 3M reflective hits at the quarter panel of the shoe, like where the seams meet right here, and then at the vamp of the shoe on the outline, you'll see some of that 3M going on. The color orange also plays a role in having a presence at the base of the tongue with this embroidered format Nike swoosh, and then you have the stitching just below the cutout guides. I love that we are provided with not just 2 sets of laces, but 4 sets of laces. We have a white pair, a black pair, an orange pair, and a blue pair, and all are of a flat shape and a cotton build. While I do appreciate the 4 sets of laces, I would have preferred them to provide like 2 long laces, 2 short laces versus providing only long format laces. I think in providing short laces or Jordan low laces, it would entice more people to cut their shoes, whichever aisle you lean on. Behind those laces is a padded black mesh tongue with the black woven label atop the tongue, and you have the Nike Air logo in an orange format to provide that contrast. On the backside, you can see that the black layer is sheer, so you can see that orange foam padding peer through. The sock liner of the prototype ones is a loose gauge black meshing material, and it is padded to secure and comfort the ankle. Most insoles on Jordan 1s are removable. On here, we have a royal blue fabric that is donning that orange Nike logo at the heel, all placed on a thin piece of blue foam. Getting to the foundation of the shoe, the midsole is your classic blown rubber in a white format, running along the base of the shoe. Built inside the heel is an encapsulated air unit to combat impact and to provide some of that cushioning. The outsole is of that same blown rubber format, just done in black. Its build, it enables durability, flexibility, and gives structure to the Prototype 1. Your same Jordan 1 traction patterns are taking place, where you have the circles at the top, your Nike branding smack dab in the middle, and your grid towards the heel. In terms of sizing, go true to size. Enough boutiques and mall retailers have Jordan lows or mids in stock that you can try one out, get your size, and then pull the trigger on these. Also, Jordan 1 lows, mids, and highs, they're all built on the same frame or the same last, so same sizing across the board. Jordan 1s, they are not the most comfortable shoes to be in 8 hours a day. The uppers, they aren't super breathable, and the shoe, it's pretty flat. Though, you can always remove the insole, pop in a Heffelux boost-like insole, your own orthotics, some Spencos, or rock a soft sole like me. I have pronation issues, and I need a bit of support. Check out my link in the description box below. Overall, the Prototype 1s are interesting. I definitely wish we were getting the switch ones with the zippers, as I prefer not to make a Jordan shoe irreversible. Once you cut the shoe, there's definitely no going back. On the next video, as previously stated, I'll cut these up. Perhaps I'll take a trip to a local hobby store and grab some zippers so we can convert these into unofficial switch models. The color blocking on the shoe, it's cool. It's not something that I care too much about. The materials used on this shoe are on point, and I do appreciate the fact that they do provide us with 4 different sets of laces, even if they're all of a long format lace. Alright y'all, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about the Jordan Prototype 1s? Are you going for these? And if you do cop, are you cutting them into lows? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram at Chris Catalunya with the _ at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm and help me get to 25,000 subs before the year's end. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all kicking it with me. I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers! See you now.